Coral sand is formed from the crushed remains of coral reefs and other marine organisms, composed mainly of calcium carbonate. It is often used in aquariums, terrariums, and gardening. In aquariums, it helps maintain water alkalinity, which is beneficial for many fish and invertebrates that prefer alkaline environments. In gardening, coral sand improves soil drainage and aeration, and its slow release of calcium enriches the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. With its unique texture and properties, coral sand serves both functional and aesthetic purposes, adding a natural, decorative touch to various settings.